Today is January the 25th, and you know, it's that time of year. Yeah, it's pretty cold outside, well, I think it's warmed up to like -5. But we are headed out to go motorcycle shopping today. So join me while I look for a replacement for Little Red, because she had her last ride last year with me anyways. Hopefully my son can figure out a way to revive her. I've given her over to him, and maybe he'll have some luck. But in the meantime, we're going shopping, so we're gonna go check out some bikes. Very exciting day. Last time I was recording, I was like, oh, we're going to go look at the bike in Roseland, and it's gonna be my new motorcycle, and her name is gonna be Rosa. The reason I'm calling her that is because I used to live in Kimberley, and I lived under a chairlift that used to be there, but it's not there anymore, called the Rosa, and the run is called the Rosa. But I really wanted to name my bike after a ski run, and Kimberley has the cooler names for ski runs. Also, it's kind of a little shout out to Little Red, because it's Rosa, Red, same thing. Anyways, first stop, McDonald's in Castlegar. I'm not particularly hungry, so I guess I'll just go hang out. Maybe I can eat some fries. Picked up the bike. Too much snow here to test drive. Just stopped at Canadian Tire. Just unloaded it. Okay.
Okay, whatever you do, don't go catapulting yourself off the edge.
I'm just gonna serve it.
I know.
I'll make sure it's in motion. Buff a little bit this time, because it was cold last time. Should I try it with goggles?
I don't know, you can do whatever you want.
Huh?
So you can do whatever you want. There you go. Is it too tight?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
It's fine.
You good? Okay. Okay, be careful.
You gotta do that right off the top. Perfect. Got that done and over with.
Uh-oh. What happened?
Oh, I took the corner too quick.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Huh.
I had to get that done and over with, Sam.
Okay. What, and then you just lost the front tire?
Huh?
And then the front tire went out on you?
Yeah, I guess so.
Huh. Well, you want to try to do it yourself, or you want me to help? Okay.
It's the kind of bike that could take a stunt like that.
Yeah. This is a 450.
Is it?
Yeah.
Sweet shade, isn't it? Oh yeah. No harm, no foul.
There you go. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm totally fine.
It's kind of exciting. A little Evel Knievel. That's a sweet looking bike.
It's
Wow.
I didn't expect the dirt to be that slippery. That was not there when I bought the bike. Oh gosh. You know, you always got to do the first dump right away and just get it over with, huh? Well, I did that. That's why I wanted to buy it, because I was like, if I ride it, then yeah. It's fine. It's all fine. Up to the end of the road and back, and then I took it up to Rockies and back.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I think. Can't believe.
And then I came around the corner and dumped it.
Yeah.
But I got to the kill switch right away. It was still running. It was just I couldn't get to the switch right away because my foot was stuck underneath it. Be careful. I said, don't do what I did. Be careful.
Yeah.
Well, now my hand guards look used. They look like they'd never seen the ground before. It's lower than your bike, right?
What's that?
It's lower than your bike?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I can put my feet flat on the ground.
Yeah. I wonder if it just needed gas.
Huh?
I wonder if it just needed gas.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, come on.
I know. It's tricky.
Yeah, it's really touchy, eh?
Yeah, very.
Well,
Turn it off.
huh?
As you say to me, turn it off.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll lower that down. That bike's it's gonna take a while to get used to that. It's got a lot of power.
I know. I think that's probably why I dumped it coming around the corner. It does have a lot of power. I
Well,
know.
if it didn't have that throttle tamer on it, I don't even know how you ride it.
Did I just do that too? I just did that too?
Probably.
How did she have it this long and not put any dents in it? I had
She
it for
didn't
like
dump it.
5 minutes.
She didn't dump it.
Well, that's a bummer. I always wreck my bikes right away.
Yep.
Why do I do that? It was like mint for like 4 minutes. You didn't go, did you go very far?
No, I went to the.
I would take it back on the highway, but I don't have a plate, so I don't think I should.
Yeah, I don't think you should.
Huh?
I don't think you should.
No.